Microphone Monday. This week on Microphone Monday, an original astatic JT30. This is actually the brown and chrome version, if you can't tell. Check that out. Original rivet tagged label, and is the original brown paint with the chrome grill. I have the original stand, the all brown stand for this as well. The original crystal didn't work well, but I took a vintage astatic 151 and now it's in there. Really strong, fat, warm, and dirty. Not too common, not super rare, but not too common to see the brown and chrome astatic JT30. Just like a regular gray JT30, but it is brown with the new 151 in it. Check it out here. Stay safe, stay healthy, and check out this JT30 here on Microphone Monday.